your face, guys, but it's Sunday morning and gonna go get some breakfast and then head out to Monterey. Take some dope pictures. The crew wants to stay there overnight. I'm not down for that. I need to get my car detailed tomorrow. Got some Chowie action out there. But that'll be fun. It's a nice little trip. Pretty peaceful out here. So we're out here by the Bay Bridge here in San Francisco. We're just gonna walk around and explore for a bit. Then we're gonna hit some twisty roads out in Monterey. So pretty excited for that. Really, really dope views. And got locals out here showing some love, so pretty excited. Let's get this done. Fucking dope, man. What's up, guys? What's going on? Dude, that's so sick. I like it. Dude, NorCal's a major vibe, isn't it?
Major. Something we wouldn't see in LA. Major vibes here in NorCal. We got lots of people.
No way. By Pier 26.
Dude, we need that.
We need that in our life right now, right?
We just need a cruise Huntington. We need to do this again, but with roof rack bikes.
So we got Chuck with me, bro, over here.
The camera's right here. I am Chuck with me, bro. All right, let's get walking, shall we?
We're gonna walk. Gonna walk and talk, guys. Check out this view. Insane, by the way. All right, guys, we are officially in the countryside. We're I think close to Gilroy or something, but yeah, we're gonna head to Monterey from here. It's a 17-mile drive, and our buddy James with the Camaro back there, maybe you can like see him maybe over there. He wants to trade cars after this, so why not, right? 550 wheel NA Camaro. A 550 wheel NA Camaro can definitely be fun, so excited for that. I don't think we're gonna find any good shooting spots here, but I guess we will see. Just because it's such a narrow road and there's not like a turnout so we can park, so I guess we'll find out. Ran into a Ferrari F430. His license plate says Boss 430. I think that's pretty cool. It's dope. Alright guys, we're here at Monterey. Y'all already got food here at the brewery. You can't actually go in, so and you need a mask to be serviced everywhere, but we already ate. Heading back to the cars to hang out with the crew, and yeah, gonna go head out 17-mile drive right now, drive by the beach, so it should be fun. As you can see here, we have some dope splatter on our boy's car. What is it, James?
Gunning too hard on the scene, it seems. The AC is too hot boy for the AC.
Yeah, so somehow his AC is like splattering up on his windshield on like the high pressure thing of the fill cap. We don't know why, because his AC is working, but check out this view. Super ill. This is why we live here in Southern California, to be quite honest.
Oh, rubber under.
Oh bro, you should have seen my old exhaust. It was literally that everywhere. I'm not gonna clean it, dude, no way.
Yeah, that's not a fact. Trophy right there.
By the way, if you still want to switch cars, you're welcome to at any time.
I'm down.
Since we have a 5-hour drive home.
I'm fucking down. Wanna drive mine?
I mean, dude, yeah, if anyone wants to drive the F, like, we're welcome to. I don't care.
Literally
anybody and anywhere. Oh, my car. Everyone's gonna take turns gangbanging my car now, huh? It's all right, bro. Bro.
Money.
Money. Yo, Jimmy, wait up. I'm gonna show him how to use the bags in the car.
What?
He wants to switch cars for a bit. So I'm gonna
How to use the bags?
yeah, I'm gonna show him how to use the baggies.
Oh, the reins.
The baggos.
The Ray reins.
You just go like that to like when you're with horses, like skirt.
Right. So.
He told me to beat the shit out of it. Should we? Nah, it's not my car, but I just want him to enjoy the RCF, hopefully. I'll give you 15.
20? Oh, what? 20? 50.
Good jump. That's 35 total. 20 on her and 15 for me, right?
What if I dive in head first?
I mean, that's up to you, bro. I'm not telling you how to dive in. I'm just telling you to dive in.
Cannonball?
All right, guys. So we pulled over yet again. James apparently loves the RCF. I think I'm gonna try and trick him into buying one as a daily. But yeah, I love Camaros. True life. I mean, as you see, I'm always in Camaros. That's because it makes me feel like a drug dealer, to be quite honest. I don't know, just every now and then you need to feel dangerous, right? Of course, taking PCH down here is always crazy. Always. Man.
Okay.
Hey guys, Jimmy's making advances towards my car. Not sure why. Jimmy, tell us why you're walking towards my car with off
We have
lights.
to take out all the extra weight out of my car because I'm stunting too hard. Yet once again on this trip compared to everyone else because I refuse to go bags.
Yeah, bags just make too much sense. I feel you, bro.
Way too much sense.
Yeah, so just, you know, destroy your tires at all times.
Oh, thanks, Taylor. Thanks for the help moving the stuff. Don't need it.
Oh, no, I'll help.
Guys, so Jimmy once again pawns off his girlfriend on us due to weight reasons. For whatever reason. You playing with the doggo, Logan? Is he? Oh, he's your friend now. Is he a good boy?
Look at it do it.
Wait, are they teaching you how to pop a squat? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, if I have to take a shit in the woods tonight,
That's how you do it.
yeah, they're trying to show me that, make sure that I'm prepared.
That is crazy. I would like to hear Logan's thoughts on all this. Are they doing a good job?
Oh shit, I can do it.
No,
I'm, like, facing
no,
down.
not not Logan approved. Dude,
It's just an ankle flex.
those are some dope pictures you're taking right there.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, that's sick. There you go. Alright guys, I think this is the end for this video. There really isn't going to be anything else going on. And I don't even know if I'm going to get pictures of my car.
Always things going on.
Well, I mean, it's getting dark, okay? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is the last episode of Race Spec for however long I want it to be. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.